Hey, how's it going today? This is Zen the Crypto Queen. Have a Facebook page of the same name on Twitter, XRP Crypto Queen. I wanted to start today by giving a shout out to Digital Asset Investor. I'm going to show you a few little clips on this, and then I will include a link to this video in my description box. As usual, this is not financial advice. I simply share with you my thoughts and feelings on the crypto market and I share what I do. Sure would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up, subscribed, and hit that notification bell. And with that, let's listen to the first part of this clip. I thought this was very interesting. This is about XRP and clearly Ripple. Let's hear it.
I'm excited for a lot of reasons, folks. This clip is it's from back in February, and I couldn't remember if I had played it for you, but I was listening to it. This was put out. I wanted you to hear what this guy says.
The banksters sued XRP and Ripple Labs in order to buy time, not so much to hold them back as to, well, it's two motives. One, to hold back the development of the Ripple Labs, but it didn't work because they're still working. And the other motive is to buy time in order for the banksters to develop something in a similar manner with the intellectual property so that they can match Ripple and say, we've got our own Ripple, we don't need your Ripple, but they failed.
They failed, folks, and you can listen to the rest of this later. They failed. So this whole lawsuit with the SEC, I'm going to move on to different points in this video, and then I'm going to show you what Brad Garlinghouse had to say, okay? All right, let me move on to, let's see, 448. Here we go.
Against people that are into the riddles and all that. I haven't
hold on one
done
second.
a lot. And nothing against people that are into the bearable guy, nothing against people that are into the riddles and all that.
Let me explain that first of all. The bearable guy is Bearable Bull. I have a tough time bearing with his the cadence of his voice, but that's a me issue. Maybe if you listen to him, you'd feel differently. I don't know. You can go check him out. But sometimes there's a lot of people out there putting out videos. I follow 2, 3, 4, but Digital Asset Investor is my favorite because he doesn't give in to the FUD and nonsense. Also, if you don't know what a riddler is, those are people who are always checking into numbers. You know, it's 345 days from the time that they said this and that, and then they add the numbers together. It's kind of a numerology sort of thing. Okay, let's move on.
I haven't done a lot of that kind of stuff, okay, and I still don't,
and
I'm not going to. But that doesn't mean I have anything against anybody that does. Okay?
I don't either.
It's a free world, and I'm not going to attack anybody for what they do in their social media. It's every man to himself. This is America.
Cheers to that.
Freedom of speech. Do your thing. I'm all for everybody doing their thing. Now, but this caught my attention. The other night, I was literally showing my son this. I said I was going to let my son watch this movie with me, okay? I was talking about this. Well, this tweet comes. This is the guy, notfinancialadvice.crypto, that he's done some of those cool videos. But he had put this out earlier this morning. The theme song of this new Will Ferrell, Ryan Reynolds movie.
You're going to like this.
Reminds me of a certain fintech company. Do you want to make a ripple that could turn into a wave all across the world? Change is gaining some traction.
Watch this.
So the song's called Ripple, and I was like, okay, yeah, that's pretty neat, interesting. I don't want to be, turn every...
He'll point this out later, but look at this. This came out by Mr. Poole, who is kind of a riddler of sorts on the internets. And, you like that? Internets? That's 3121, okay? And here's the same pattern.
Everything in the Ripple XRP, and nobody does. But I saw this, and then I saw this. This is from one of these Twitter handles. Mr. Poole had put this out back 3/17/21. These two. Somebody put up the lyrics, and I saw this.
Check out these lyrics.
It says, maybe more than just a ripple. Make the choice to take a chance. Let's put on our big boy pants. Now, folks, many of you that haven't been here for long may not know this, But back in the 2018, back in the real crypto winter, billions and never ends all across the world, like a.
Do you want to make a ripple, ripple, ripple? I think you want to make a ripple, ripple, ripple. Consider the consequences and consider the possibilities. Now, if we choose this dude, 1 goes to 2 and 4 and jumps from 4 to 8, ripple, ripple, ripple. See that? Multiplies to thousands. Can you hear it? I love this. Who knows
World
if it's
Reserve
true,
digital, and I was reading the lyrics and I'm like, what? And there's and everybody in this thread. No.
Okay, so I love this part. They put bridge as in bridge currency. I'm going to move ahead. Like I said, I'm going to link this one in the description, but there's so many good points in here that I think you'll enjoy. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to play you a couple more, and then I'm going to do that Brad Garlinghouse part. Where is it? Right here. All right. Check it out.
Joining me now, Minnesota Congressman Tom Emmer. First of all, congratulations on your new role as Majority Whip. I can't wait for some of the ideas that you're going to bring to that job. But I want to talk about this because you've been at the forefront of this.
Okay, so I'm going to link this in the description, as I've said. But here's the point. This congressman is talking about that this is not a failure of crypto. I'll repeat that. Not a failure of crypto. CeFi failure, and CeFi is centralized finance. Failure of business ethics. Failure of Gary Gensler from the SEC and Bankman-Fried. Failure of government oversight and procedures. Not of crypto. So there you have it. And last March, Bankman-Fried met with Gary Gensler and wanted special treatment with the FCC. What is going on here? And Gary Gensler, where were you on Celsius and Voyager? That's my question. All right, let me get to this part over here. Garlinghouse is betting on winning the SEC case. I wish I could figure out a way to get rid of those pop-ups. I'm so sorry. I love this. Emphasizing that he's betting that Ripple will win the case against the security regulator. I'm betting that because I think the facts are on our side. I'm betting that because the law is on our side. Yeah, the SEC has massively overstepped and is trying to take kind of jurisdictional ownership over something that is, they saw it as gray area. Hey, we're going in. It's frustrating that it's taking this long. Yes, it is, Brad. There's lots of companies, I think, that realize how important this case is to the whole industry. Yes. Hopefully this resolution will come in early 23. I'm hoping it's coming in Q1, but might possibly be Q2. But, wow. XRP is, you know what? Not financial advice, just sharing what I do. But every time it's dipping, and I'm telling you, anything under $5, you are getting a deal. So, well, even more than that, but there's going to come a day when it will just skyrocket past what you are able to pay. And so, not financial advice, but if you would like to get set up, you can take a look at the links in my description box. I've got a few exchanges down there. Of course, you cannot buy it on COINBASE. You can buy it on several others that I have listed down there. Also, please once you buy, please take your crypto off of your exchange and put it on a ledger. I have a link down below in the description box for that as well. And please subscribe to Digital Asset Investors channel because he's got some really good info out there all the time. So with that, I'm going to wrap it and wish you all a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is that you are in. And I love y'all. Really want to see you be successful in the crypto world along with myself. Let's see what happens in Q1 or 2 of 2023. And with that, I will catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.